Good morning, friends. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Sir Abdul Sattar Khan. English speech, English writing skill, importance of sports. Let's begin. Sports means S for social skills, P for physical fitness, O for obedience, R for resourcefulness, T for teamwork, and S for stress tolerance. Let's begin importance of sports. Honorable Chief Guest, Headmaster of school, and my dear friends, today I am going to speak on the importance of sports. If you observe some people, then you will notice that human life is a series of tensions and problems. Also, they have a variety of concerns relating to their life, but sport is something that makes us free from these troubles, concerns, and tensions. Moreover, they are an essential part of life. Who believe in life are able to face the problems. They help in the proper operation of various organs of the body. Furthermore, they refresh our mind and the body feels re energized. It also makes muscles strong and keeps them in good shape. It is in schools and colleges. They consider sports as an important part of education. Also, they organize sports competitions of different kinds. In schools, they organize annual sports events, and on a daily basis, they have a specific period for sports and games. In this period, teachers teach them the ways to play different sports and games. These sports and games teach students new things and they have a bond with them. In addition, sports help them develop self confidence and courage. Also, they became active and swift, and success fills them with motivation and eagerness. In this way, games are very important in our life. Thank you very much. I am going to conclude my speech with the famous quotation of a famous footballer Black Pearl, that is Pele: the more difficult the victory, the greater the happiness in winning. उम्मीद है आपको हमारा वीडियो पसंद आया होगा। अगले वीडियो में दोबारा मुलाकात होगी। खुदा हाफिज़।